Weekend means a tasty food, a food that makes our weekend on next level, the food that increase our happiness. And here I am with my pasta. I think pasta is liked by everyone. Hello everyone. I am Meghana and you are listening to me in Soul Beyond Doors. Those who don't like pasta, please comment. I would like to know how people can't like pasta. But I like it in my desi style. While adding vegetables, some mushrooms in the pasta and little bit of Indian spices make it on the next level. I don't like chopping of the vegetables, but it's okay because I have to enhance the taste of the pasta, so I have to do these things. And this is the process. The process is only important while making pasta. I don't think so it cooking take much time, but the involvement of the person, the involvement of the time, the process while cooking the particular dish is only important, and that I think only give the flavors to the dish also. Just the sorting of some vegetables, some sauces and some Indian spices, that's it, nothing else needed. In spices I just have added black pepper and salt, but if you are making it totally desi style, then people add turmeric, coriander also, because when my dadi make pasta for me, she always do these things in just in a desi style she makes, and she don't even add any sauces also, but still it sounds so good. Means I don't think so that I can able to make that pasta again, but I try to make every time, but can't, because our mothers and dadis have next role in our life, right? They give flavors to our life, they give too good food to our life, and we are just, I think, just habitual of these things. So just frying the pasta, frying of pasta is very important, and some gravy of the veggies should also be mixed in the pasta, then only it will give you the best flavors, right? Add a little bit of red chili also. If you like Maggi masala, you can add that also, just a pinch, not much. And see, it's looking nice or not? It has made my day, literally. Then now it's time for lunch. I'm making mutter mushroom and some rice. Mutter mushroom is not getting chance, but today I am that I will make it, I have to make it. So that's why I am here with this. I don't like chopping of the vegetables, as I have already told you. So that's why I will just chop tomatoes. Then in a kadhai we have to just add some basic masala and add mutter mushroom. I have also added some cashews for flavors. Because I've not added garam masala in it. Okay, I don't like that much. That's why in my dishes also you have seen I don't add garam masala much, right? Because on the daily basis you don't need it. It includes the rich dishes, right? If you are making any rich dish, then only you should add that. On the daily basis, that is not good also. So I never add that, or almost in all dishes I just use my masala dabba, in which I have turmeric, coriander, black pepper, ajwain, jeera and red chili, and only that is okay for me. And just keep it for 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes it will soak all the water and it will become moist, then only it is ready for serving. Water I have just increased a little bit quantity because I was using it with the rice, that's why. But it's up to you. If you don't like gravy, then don't need to add water. Then here I'm making some salad also, because I'm not making anything, so one thing should be extra, right? That's why I'm just cutting some cucumber, onion, tomato and carrot, and that's it. It will give flavors to my salad. And all the things, tomatoes also I have added in this, because these are the basic things, right? In our kitchen daily fancy food is not required, I think. And when I came here, then I have realized the value of the simple food. I never liked simple food, but when as soon as I am here, slowly I have realized how the simple food is important in our life. So these things, and add salt and lemon in the salad. That's it. And one potato, boiled potato I was having. So I have used tawa for frying it. Have you ever tried it? If tried, then do comment, because this tawa fry aloo is next level flavors. Means it will give you so good flavors, and it's quite easy also. You don't have to add much oil also. 1 spoon oil, then just salt, coriander and red chili. That's it, nothing else. Only tawa will do the flavors. Okay, and then last serving our thali, and it was so good. I can't tell you that how much flavors I was having with this thali. So stay connected, and if you like this vlog, then please feel free to subscribe too, and I hope I will be consistent with this week. So thanks for listening, and stay connected with me so that I can be motivated as always. Thanks for listening.